Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the journal now and logging the mission and gear. This gives you a quick reference under pressure. Write the objective, team roles, and which evidence tools you brought so you don't backtrack later. Once done, mark the spawn area and initial room. Make sure to note any odd temperatures or EMF spikes right away. This immediate logging saves time and prevents forgetting subtle clues that will matter when you later match evidence to a ghost type. Move through the map and treat the journal like an evidence hub. Every time you confirm something, write it down with the location and approximate time to build a timeline. Explain why. Matching multiple entries helps eliminate ghost types faster. Once you get 3 distinct pieces of evidence, pause and cross-reference them in the journal. This prevents mistaken identifications. Make sure to include who saw or felt things, because eyewitness details will clarify ambiguous readings later. When you have at least 3 corroborated pieces of evidence, write the final ghost ID and any mission notes. This completes the investigative arc and informs payouts. Once done, double-check that locations, times, and witness names are clear. This makes reporting fast. If things go wrong and you lack certainty, pause and reevaluate the timeline. Make sure you didn't miss a small clue like spirit box responses or fingerprints, because rechecking entries usually reveals the missing link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.